Basu, and I'm a first year PGDM student of KG Somaiya Institute of Management and Research. My dream, or my idea as I like to call it, is based on shoes. And this is based purely on personal experience. I mean, when guys go to weddings, the jutis are a tremendous source of problems. I mean, nobody likes their jutis. And even formal shoes for that matter. I mean, I'm part of the placement committee. I spent a lot of time in formal shoes and invariably with shoe bites. So my point is that, shoes at this point are at a stage where they've become tremendously commoditized. They're being sold online. I mean, the touch feel is totally out of shoes. Gentlemen being known by shoes, those concepts are dated now. So my idea is that, there's already a customized shoe, a custom-made shoe, they're being done at a very small level in, say, a place in Calcutta, in, say, a small place in Bombay, but it's not accessible. So the idea is to provide custom-made shoes to people at affordable rates, at rates that are competitive and, primarily targeted at professionals. You get the color of your choice, you get measurements of your choice, So basically, you don't have to go to X number of shops to select, and you're not limited by e-commerce where you're not even seeing the shoe before you're buying it, or feeling the shoe rather. It brings the touch and feel back into shoe buying. So that's my idea. But we're not looking at opening an outlet. I mean, this is of course an idea that is in a total work in progress thing. I'm learning new things every day. But from what I've learned so far and what I've decided is that we're not going to go for a retail store or anything at the beginning. We'll have operations on a very small scale, perhaps just a workshop where cobblers can work. The idea is to have one designer. But again, we're not going to go into designer shoes per se. We're not going to become Jimmy Choos and all that. We're not going to design hi-fi shoes. We're going to give, we'll have a set of standardized designs. So maybe hiring a couple of design interns, coming up with a booklet full of designs, and offer us a wide range of leather, so maintaining that sample set and soles and things like that, and going to people's places, taking orders, coming back, making the shoe, and again handmade. We're not going to invest in heavy machinery at the beginning. We'll have to first see how big the market is. Obviously it has to be one of the metros, I'd say Bombay or Bangalore, because that's the high number of professionals. So I see a market there. Delhi would also be an option. It's just that Delhi being so vast in terms of area, perhaps we may not be able to cover the whole thing with the kind of setup that I'm thinking of, say a very lean setup. With that, we may not be able to cover the whole city.